Book of Heaven, Volume 11, December 20th, 1912. Jesus gives everything that he is to one who does his will. There are no judgments for the soul who does his will. Difference between the divine will and love. In these past days, my always lovable Jesus seemed to felt like speaking about his holy will. He would come, say a few words, and escape. I remember that once he told me,
"My daughter, with one who does my will, I feel as though the duty to give her my virtues, my beauty, my strength, in a word, everything that I am. If I did not give it to her, I would deny it to myself."
Another time I was reading about how terrible the judgment is, and as I was left very saddened, my sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, why do you want to sadden me?"
"I do not intend to sadden you, but myself." And he,
Don't you want to understand that displeasures, sadnesses, and anything that one who does my will may suffer fall upon me, and I feel them as my own? I can say to one who does my will, laws are not for you there are no judgments. And if I wanted to judge her, I would act like one who wants to go against himself. On the contrary, one who does my will, instead of being judged, acquires the right to judge others.
Then he added,
"The goodwill of the soul in doing good is a power over my heart, and this power exerts so much leverage on me that by dint of leveraging, she forces me to give her what she wants."
Then I was thinking, what does Jesus like the most, love or his will? And Jesus,
"My will must prevail over everything. Look at it yourself. You have a body and a soul. You are made of intelligence, of flesh, of bones, of nerves. But you are not of cold marble. You also contain heat. So the intelligence, the body, the flesh, the bones, the nerves must be my will, and the heat which the soul contains is love. Look at the flame, the fire. The flame, the fire must be my will, while the heat produced by the flame and fire is love. So in all things, the substance must be my will, the effects, love. Both of them are so connected together that one cannot be without the other. So, the more substance of my will the soul contains, the more love she produces."